I like this. Some people think that, oh, it's just for hype. I'm doing just for me. I want to wake up, go to the mirror and say, oh, Nastya, you're so beautiful today. I love what I see.
I don't think that anybody should shame a person for how they look, and if this makes her happy, then by all means, that's fine. It looks like in addition to having her lips plumped up, the massive amount of filler in her cheeks, some Botox in her forehead, that she probably had some liposuction under her chin, and then maybe some filler injected along her jawline to help recreate and to help give that jawline a more sculpted appearance. It sounds like they're made of hyaluronic acid because hyaluronic acid is the most common injectable filler, and it does have an antidote called hyaluronidase. And if we inject hyaluronidase into an area where there's hyaluronic acid filler, it actually will melt that filler away. A good amount of it, maybe 30 to 40% of it, will melt away almost instantly. And then the rest of it, within a few days to a week or so, will in general disappear. But just because you can dissolve it away doesn't mean that having this much filler in your cheeks is actually safe. This does appear to be a case not so much maybe of addiction as body dysmorphia, where what she sees is small cheeks, and what we see are cheeks that are obviously really, really inflated. What she sees is lips that are fairly thin. For you and I, they look quite full and even too big. And unfortunately, for people who have body dysmorphia, they often undergo a series of cosmetic treatments and cosmetic surgeries to try to correct a perceived deformity that was never really there in the first place. And so the concern that I would have with her is that, yeah, everything has gone well so far, but it can be that next treatment, that next injection where it's accidentally injected into a blood vessel and she develops a complication. But I think it's also important for her to realize and for her doctors to inform her that overdoing procedures like this not only carry a potential risk of complications with them, but in the future, there could be drawbacks for having done these types of things. Always remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort.